Today is day 2 in the trial of Joseph Koenig. He's one of 3 men charged in the murder of 20-year-old Alexa Bartell. She was killed when someone threw a rock through her windshield while she was driving back in 2023.
Monday, prosecutors said that he threw rocks at cars over several nights, putting drivers in danger. But Koenig's defense argues it was never meant to be deadly and is pushing for a manslaughter charge instead.
Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter is live at the Jefferson County Courthouse with the latest. Danielle?
Micah, today we heard from several other people who were hit by rocks thrown at their car while they were driving. Those rocks were even handed amongst jury members inside of evidence bags. And I want to be clear, we're not talking about those, small rocks that can kick up on the highway and leave a crack in your windshield. We are talking about large landscaping stones, many the size of people's hands, some jurors even using 2 hands to pass the rocks to the person sitting next to them. We also saw photos in court showing the impact holes left behind from where those rocks went in through windshields. The majority are exactly where a driver would be sitting. One witness saying it was inches away from his head. We're talking about these drivers going speeds around 50, 60 miles per hour on the road. At times, you could even hear people in the courtroom whispering about just how lucky the other victims were to have been able to survive. The prosecution is hoping to build a case that they made in opening statements yesterday that Koenig's actions were frequent, focused, and fatal. Today, we heard from several different people who were driving the exact same night as Bartell and in the days following who were also hit by rocks.
But something came off the back of the truck, struck the minivan in front of me, and then came off the minivan's vehicle and hit my vehicle.
And then the next thing I know is it sounded like a gunshot went off.
Cold air was all over, and I looked over my left shoulder, and I'm missing 2 windows on the back side of my van.
I remember that I felt pain all across the right side of my face and my neck.
My front license plate was gone, and there was a big hole in the front of my car.
The suspect sat quietly during today's testimony, his attorney only briefly cross-examining some of the witnesses at times. We're still expected to hear testimony from 2 of the other suspects in this case, but so far no word yet on when they're expected to take the stand. Of course, we'll keep you updated. For now, reporting live in Jefferson County, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.